So Hotman Tools, this is the starter kit. So I'm going to take this apart and talk a little bit further about this and why this all came to be. First guide to scratch board. So this is your guide. 16 different panels on exactly how to do a scratch board. Boards. So what I've done in here is the actual scratch board, piece of tracing paper, and then a backer board. So what I do is I'll take a piece of tape, tape the two of them together. Now you've got, in this case I'm left-handed, here's your board, and then you can use your illustration right here as a point of reference. I've included glue dots appropriately. So I'll be able to take these off and affix it to the back of the board. So it secures it. Next, more tools. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can use it in a fashion to do very fine strokes or very broad strokes by taking away a lot of the ink, and you're now scraping away a small amount of clay. Or you can use it in a detail fashion where you just do dots. So it's a practice board. Pretty cool. The other tools I've included is a kneaded eraser, and on my videos I'll explain how to do that. And then two, they're makeup applicators, so foam applicators where I speak about shaving pastel chalk into a dust. I've included a heavy carbon tool, Hotman Tools, yay, and then you simply trace accordingly. You can use a window when you trace, and that way it'll help backlight the subject a little bit better. You'll wind up turning it over, putting the pencil back, emitting carbon on the back side, retrace it, pick it up, now you've got a ghost image. And all of this is on the video. So that completes the explanation of your toolkit. There'll be subsequent videos that follow accordingly, so you can get literally right into producing your art. Thanks for watching. Happy scratching.